Hey, my gualas. How y'all doing today? I'm doing good. I hope y'all ain't missing too much because I missed y'all. Anywho, I've been doing my 1-2, hanging with my family, doing a couple other things. I got some crawfish with some beef love sauce. Add it with my sauce to count, babies. And you know I got the H2O. There ain't nothing wrong with the H2O, baby. Gotta stay hydrated, especially when the weather getting hot, y'all. I know. I look a little lit. I was drinking a little bit. That's neither here nor there. Anywho, got a little H2O. I got a small story time. Oh, I got some eggs too. I love eggs with this sauce. I do. So anywho, I had a little sad blueprint. I don't know about this crawfish out of that. I got this from Walmart. They okay, but sometimes they not okay. So out of that. This is piping hot. Look at this claw on this boy though. Yeah, it's good. It's raring. Okay, sauce come through. Okay. This sauce is giving. Y'all don't know? You do know. That's my fish tank. That water sound. You know that's how you just brighten it, like devein it. So that's how we do that. We just keep on moving. It is piping hot. My koalas. So I'm looking at that sauce in that bottom. You already know. Look into this egg. Oh, this boy's piping hot. Lip ring got caught to my tooth. Oh, and the egg fell apart. Like I said, I got a story time. I don't care what y'all say. That egg with this sauce, straight bang. I got not the rice, not the cucumbers and all that. The egg gives me so much for me. So anywho, I've been doing great, like I said. I had some time with my family, outside family, inside family. Everything was copacetic, official like a whistle. I haven't even been catching on my news lately. But you ain't know bad news all the time. Sometimes I suck on their head. I ain't gonna even lie. Ooh. Spicy, hot, but good. That onion. They're okay so far. I got some seafood. I had to go back for seconds. I got some seafood the other day. And it was, oh goodness, Lee's something. I don't even know. And if I don't pull it from the back, I just, move that little membrane out and get it. Lee's Crab Shack or something. That was so expensive. Baby, I got 2 pounds of crawfish. Half a pound of strip head off, devein and all that stuff. Y'all don't even want to know how much it was. I'm going to tell you anyway. It cost me $63. She was going on how hold on a minute. How they live and all this other stuff they eat fresh catch. And I'm like, baby, okay. Still, she's that was a lot. So that's why I've been getting a little Walmart trying to cut a little cost, but we know we like quality too. Look at that family. Look at that Wallace. I know it's hot and steamy. Put that lid off for you. Hot and steaming and piping. So, another thing I wanted to say, I'm getting up into this food. No, that's something else I'll tell you later. It ain't nothing that serious. But the story time I'm about to get into it because I don't know how much I'm gonna finish of this because it's quite this is a lot. So anywho, this story ranked on for a minute. I know the dude name. I ain't got my notes and all that stuff with me. But if I tell you the man name that's involved in the case, you should be able to look it up. The man name is Markeith Lloyd. Okay? Excuse me. I followed this case for a little bit. He had 2 trials, and I'm gonna tell you about it. Try to tell you about each one of them. Markeith Lloyd, he was dating this woman by the name of Sade Dixon. Excuse me. You already know Wallace. If I don't get the story right, if I miss some details or have a mispronunciation or anything, I do apologize, and the description be in my box. But as I'm told, the story is Markeith Lloyd. The woman name is Sade Davis. We were dating. And it came apart in the time that she became pregnant. I think they had gotten into an altercation. I don't think. The story goes that they had gotten into an altercation at her residence. Well, excuse me, at her or her mother's residence. Oh, that was hot, excuse me. They got into an altercation at her or her mother's residence. And things went south. She allegedly, well, I'm just going to say allegedly because, like I said, I don't know. She had a gun, he had a gun, and she was supposed to pull the gun out on him first. Like I said, they got into an altercation. And things didn't end up good. I just already know. 1 shot, 2 shots, 3 shot, 4. Excuse me. He winds up shooting her. I believe a couple members of her family also. I'm not gonna tell every single detail of the story because go look it up. But he wound up shooting her. A couple of members of her family also. Excuse me. She succumbed to her injuries. So obviously he shot her and she died. The family members survived. And like I said, she was pregnant, you know, according to the story, with his baby. I was like, what? This story went on for a little minute. You know, like I said, go follow the story, you know, look it up. I ain't got the years and dates like I ain't got my notes. So, the police was called out there. And, you know, he wasn't there when the police showed up. And, I don't know how long. Spicy, sorry. That he evaded capture. So, we're going to skip a little bit. And so how this lady was at Walmart. Because you know the story was all on the news. But this lady was at Walmart. Of course, she seen the story. She knew who Marquis Floyd was. And she told the off-duty police officer, this man is wanted for murder. Rashade Dixon. So, what's the officer name? Oh my God, I don't want to get it wrong. She's lieutenant. I'm going to come back to that name because I think I know it. I don't want to disrespect nobody. But she tells that off-duty police officer, this man is one of Rashade Dixon's murder, blah, blah, blah. She goes outside, or inside, radio the person, try to get the scoop of what's going on. Turns out he has a warrant for the murder. So she catches him coming outside. It's a shootout between Mark. Damn, I just had a link there. It's a shootout between Marquis Floyd and the officer. Baby, things didn't end well there, and he went out killing the officer and fleeing the scene. The officer lost her life. It was a woman. Oh, God, it's keep on being on tip of my tongue. Like I said, I can put it in the description, the officer name. She wound up losing her life as well. He went on the run. When he went on the run, I think he carjacked some people. And he wasn't charged with this part. But on the way to the scene, a police officer on the motorcycle lost his life. I think he got in a car accident. That's crazy. So he hijacked some people and head out, head out for a while. Eventually, he was captured. And you can go look it up. There's a video where when they captured him. To his point of view, Marquis Floyd, and I don't know, to the video. It's viewer discretion advised. It's up to y'all to determine. And he was beat by the police. And he lost his eye. And, they so-called whooped the good. Damn, that woman's name was on the tip of my tongue. I'm sorry. But they had her handcuffs and arrested him with her handcuffs. So anyway, this story is a little long, but you got like I said, it's played over time. And there was 2 separate trials. He went to trial first for the murder of Sade, and I believe her unborn child too. I'm not for sure. But he went to court for her. The jury and judge found him guilty. Like he was facing life. And then when that was done, he faced a separate trial for the officer. And that just happened not too long ago. That was I don't know if her trial, the Sade Dixon was a death penalty case, but he got life. The trial he faced it with the officer that was a death penalty case. And this happened out in Florida. This happened out in Florida, I do know that. So with her trial, Sade's trial wrapped up, and it was on his case. The officer case. This was definitely the case, like I already said, keeping it myself. But it went on for a while. You know, with Corona happened, and then they had stopped. I don't know if he was pleading insane, but he, long story short, he wound up getting the death penalty. Like I said, with the death penalty case, I don't know who's right. No, that's just everybody has their own opinion, like a booty hole. So what he did wasn't obviously was not right. Obviously, this is a mess. When I watched the court case, I watched that court case, I was astonished. Oh, and let me tell you about this. He acted a fool too. He cut up, nut up. He did it. I don't know if he was feeling like a conspiracy theory or people was against him or what it was, but he cut up. He did that. I don't know if he was trying to start a case or start a trial, but he had a lot of outbursts, and they had to remove him and delay the court. I wish the guy was all the time. This is so good. So, I'm gonna have to, somebody suggested to me, yeah, squeeze that. Somebody suggested to me sushi. I'm gonna try some sushi. Not no raw stuff. I ain't playing that, so they ain't gonna have to get me. This is so good. I swear to God. Look at that, Wallace. It's still piping hot too. I was still thinking about that one name, but Clayton. I know it's Clayton. I know that's her first or last name, Clayton. But you know when you're reading stuff and that ring a bell. Oh, excuse me. But a lighter note, thank you for my new subscribers that joined me. Thank y'all. Our little family is growing, y'all. Our little family is growing. Not like my new growth, but our family is growing, girl. So if y'all new here, ooh, gotta look it back. If y'all new here and you hear me holler at you, Koala's a term of endearment, a friendly gesture to, holler at your girl, holler at your friend, holler at your Koala. Welcome, come on in. Don't look through the shades. Come on in, sit down. That's all. Excuse me as I eat, talk. Maybe cuss one time or two, don't mean it. But y'all know what I'm about to put on here. Some of this. Watch my eyes. Put a little of that on there. A little spice it up. A little zazzaries. I love the flavor of that. I don't know what nobody else heard. Baby, put my eggs on there. I said eggs. Okay, I'm about to see how this do. Whew. I was about to eat it, then I seen this little thing. Okay. Voila. Tell me if y'all noticed something new today. Now get down, don't you? I'm gonna tell you anyway. I tried something new. I was gonna do a review video, which I still might, just to show y'all what I'm talking about. See that? My eyebrows. I tried this new place out. Call Amazon. It's these tattoo eyebrows. Unfortunately, I was never blessed with eyebrows. I never shaved them off, never had them. So I draw them off. Draw them on. You can see in my videos, I draw them on. So I tried these new tattoo eyebrows, and I'm feeling it. They come with the pack. Like I said, I can do a review on it, and I like them. They waterproof. I had them on all day. They didn't give me no problem. They didn't, rub off. You gotta worry about rubbing your eyes, wiping your face, crying, all of the stuff you do. I don't know how you gonna cry on your eyebrows. I don't know, but I haven't had no problem with them. They feel just like your texture of your skin. It's like a chocolate eyebrow. And move them down with you. In my next video, I'm gonna show y'all. But that's not what I was gonna talk about last time. But I'm gonna take that lecture now. So yeah, I don't have alopecia because obviously I get a little hair on my head. But I never been the type that had hair. Shit, I wasn't blessed like that. I have never shaved my arms, never shaved my legs. I just didn't have hair like that. I don't know, and I never grew eyebrows. Well, I grew some. It ain't enough to even call an eyebrow, obviously. So somebody. No, I think I seen not even a review. That was nice. I seen this somewhere. I'm like, let me see this. Let me get this. Let me try this out. Let me see what they're speaking about. Because the woman already had eyebrows. I don't know. But my review so far, because it's my first time having it on, and they come in different sizes, different types of eyebrows. They do come in different colors. I chose black. So I don't have a problem with them. I'll be back to see it, Wallace. So, excuse me, like I said, I will show y'all the pack next time, but because I ain't even bring it down. This supposed to be a quick little video. Turned into 20, 30 minutes, which I didn't want to. I'm sorry, y'all. It was getting spicy at that 2 times. Yes, that's what I wanted to. I went to the gym today. Yes, I'll go to the gym sometime. So we're just little body out. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna let y'all go, Wallace. I thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for, I know I got a mess on my face. I'm sorry. Because that's what we do up here. Because it's Chronicles in my life. Chronicles in my life. Not your life, but my life. Chronicles in my life. Chronicles in my life. Love ya. Bye. Holla at you, Wallace. Ah.